Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Trust me, watch me, give you a good time. Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Love when you put your hands on me. Give you a good time. Give you a good. Give you a good time. Give you a good. Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Trust me, touch me, give you a good time. Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Give you a good time. Give you a good. Give you a good time. Give you a good.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. I'm a hunter, tracks in the snow, and I'm friends with the cold rain and thunder. Frozen in my bones, I'll never get tired of the enemy. Got them both pulled tight in front of me. I'm a hunter, with an arrow in my hand. Hear the shadows follow me over the hills and the evergreen. Trade my soul for a chance to carry on into the wild. Na 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 na. Into the wild. To the wild. Into the wild. Hidden fortress, I'm the attack and there's no going back. Hearing voices calling out my name. Got them path laid out in front of me. Sharp knife, headstrong, no time to think. I'm a huntress, I don't know who I am. Hear the shadows follow me over the hills and the evergreen. Trade my soul for a chance to carry on into the wild. To the wild. The shadows follow me over the hills and the evergreen. Trade my soul for a chance to carry on into the wild.
Okay, welcome back to my channel, SB Sir. Today I'm going to discuss the remaining questions of conditional trigonometric identities in this live session. I hope this will help to my students who are preparing for ACE and those students who are really interested to do conditional trigonometric identities and they are sort of ideas. I hope this video will help them. Even if there will be very less present in this live video, I will be providing the recording of this video to the other students so that it will be beneficial to them. So let's discuss the questions one by one that we have been discussing this topic since yesterday. Yesterday, since there was optional math exam in my school that I have been teaching, so I could not continue the whole topic of conditional trigonometric identities. I just gave the hint of other types of the question. So let me go through all types of question in this session. So we have this question. This is type 2 question. I think I discussed question number A in earlier session. So let's discuss this question number 2D. In question number 2D, we have here, if a plus b plus c equals to pi radian, then prove that cos square a plus cos square b plus, minus sin square c equals to minus 2 cos a cos b cos c. So let's begin with the solution that is given here in the question. Solution given is a plus b plus c equals to pi radian. Here a plus b plus c equals to pi radian. So just leave few space here and then write LHS. LHS. The LHS is cos square a plus cos square b minus sin square c. Cos square a plus cos square b minus sin square c. As I told you earlier, the first two steps, and the first step what you have to do is you have to change this square in terms of multiple angle. Square को formula लाई cos square theta लाई 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 फर्मुला छ cos square a भनेको 1 plus cos 2a by 2 यसमा चेन्ज गर्ने. सिमिलरली यो सुरुको दुईटालाई चाहिँ पहिला चेन्ज गर्ने, लास्टको लाई चाहिँ वेट एन्ड सी गर्ने, अगाडिबाट के आउँछ त्यसका आधारमा पछाडी चेन्ज गर्ने. So cos square a, it will be 1 plus cos 2a whole upon 2, 1 plus cos 2a whole upon 2, plus cos square b भनेको 1 plus cos 2b whole upon 2. Last को लाई wait and see, minus sin square c, minus sin square c. Take the LCM. It is 2 here, 2, 1 plus cos 2a plus 1 plus cos 2b, 1 plus cos 2b minus sin square c. So this will be equal to whole upon 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2 plus cos 2a plus cos 2b, cos 2a plus cos 2b. If you get confused with this 2 here, in the denominator you can take common there 1 by 2 and you can just write it over here 1 by 2 and 2 plus cos 2a plus cos 2b. अब यो भनेको के हेर त 2 plus मैले अघि नै भनेको थिएँ के छ भने अब यहाँनिर हामीले cos c plus cos t को फर्मुला लगाउने. cos c plus cos t को फर्मुला के हुन्छ र भन त cos c plus cos t को फर्मुला हुन्छ 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2 whole upon मा 2 minus sin square c. कसैलाई यदि यो डिस्टर्बिङ जस्तो लाग्छ भने सुरुमै यो 2 ले चाहिँ एलसीएम नलिएर 1 by 2 ले चाहिँ अगाडि लेख्दा पनि हुन्छ है. So 2 is common here in the numerator. So 2 times 1 plus cos 2a plus 2b by 2, it is simply a plus b. The next one is cos a minus b, cos a minus b whole upon 2, whole upon 2. These 2 are cancelled. So minus sin square c, minus sin square c. This is equals to 1 plus cos a plus b into cos a minus b minus sin square c. So हाम्रो नर्मल स्टेप सबैमा एउटै स्टेप नै हो cos a plus b. यहाँनिर यहाँ cos a plus b छ हेर त, cos a plus b छ, त्यो cos a plus b चाहिँ हामीले माथिबाट लिने. हामीसँग a plus b कसैको छ pi radian minus c. a plus b is equals to pi radian minus c. a plus b यससँग हामीसँग cos पनि छ. So let's take cos also. Cos a plus b is equals to cos pi radian minus c, that is cos 180 degree minus c. Pi radian भन्नु र 180 भन्नु एउटै हो, रेडियन र डिग्री मेजरमा हो, एउटा चाहिँ रेडियन मेजरमा. So cos 180 minus c, this is equals to minus cos c, minus cos c. Similarly, if you take here sin common, sin it will be sin a plus b is equals to sin pi minus c. हामीले दुवैतिर sin लेको, अघिल्लोमा दुवैतिर cos लेको. So sin 180 minus c is sin c, sin c. So do the simplification further, it will be 1 minus cos a plus b भनेको के छ हेर त, minus cos c. cos a plus b भनेको छ minus cos c, cos a minus b, cos a minus b minus sin square c. Be very careful here, and एकदम ख्याल गर्नु. हामीले अगाडि यहाँ cos c आको छ, पछाडिपट्टि sin square c आयो. अगाडि cos c, पछाडि sin square c आयो हैन. सो अगाडि cos c पछाडि sin square c आयो भने अब sin लाई चाहिँ केमा लाने, cos मा लाने, किनभने sin square थीटा को फर्मुला के हुन्छ 1 minus cos square थीटा. अगाडि जे आउँछ कथाले जे माग्छ त्यही अनुसार चेन्ज गर्ने. यहाँ cos c छ, सो चेन्ज इट इन्टु sin. इट विल बी 1 minus cos c into cos a minus b माइनस हेर त यहाँ साइन स्क्वायर सी छ सो यसलाई हामी के गर्न सकिन्छ 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर सी किन चेन्ज गरेको भन्दाखेरि अगाडि cos आयो सो पछाडि पनि साइन छ भने साइनलाई पनि cos मा लगेको हामीले सो 1 माइनस cos c into cos a minus b minus 1 plus cos square c. This minus 1 and plus 1 are cancelled. So what remains is minus cos c into cos a minus b plus cos square c plus cos square c. यो cos square c लाई अगाडि राख्दा हामीले के हुन्छ यो सो दिस इज इक्वल्स टु cos square c रिअरेन्ज गरौँ है त प्लस लाई अगाडि राखौँ साइन माइनस पछि राखौँ cos square c minus cos c cos a minus b minus cos c cos a minus b. This is equals to, so what remains, what is common here? I think there is cos c common छ. So cos c is common, cos c minus cos a minus b, cos c minus cos a minus b. So what we get here is cos c into cos c भनेको हेर त cos c भनेको हामीले अघि नै चेन्ज गरिरहेको थियो नि जुन यो भन्दा अगाडि क्वेशनहरुमा पनि त्यसैगरी cos c भनेको पनि कहाँबाट लिने भन्दाखेरि cos c भनेको हामीले यहाँबाट लिने cos c भनेको minus cos a plus b. Cos c is equals to minus cos a plus b. So this is equals to minus cos a plus b minus cos a minus b equals to cos c. हेर त दुईटैबाट माइनस कमन आएको छ नि सो दुईटैबाट माइनस कमन ल्याऊ माइनस अगाडि आयो दिस इज इक्वल्स टु माइनस cos c cos a plus b माइनस कमन यहाँनिर आयो सो cos a plus b माइनस बाहिर आइसकेपछि माइनस माइनस प्लस cos a minus b cos a minus b. So this is equals to minus cos c cos a plus b plus cos a minus b भनेको के हुन्छ cos a plus b plus cos a minus b भनेको 2 cos a cos b. यदि फर्मुला थाहा छ भने डाइरेक्ट लेख्दा पनि भयो होइन भने हामीले कम्पाउन्ड एंगलको फर्मुला युज गर्दा पनि हुन्छ है. So this is equals to 2 cos a cos b 2 cos a cos b 2 cos a cos b 2 cos a cos b. This is equals to minus 2 cos a cos b cos a. मेरो भिडियोले यहाँ डिस्टर्ब गरे जस्तो छ सो लेट मी hide it. Let me reduce the size. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS proved. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS proved. I hope you understand it. Okay, मेरो भिडियो चाहिँ कति काटिएर आयो कि क्या हो? Okay, I hope you understand it. Let me move to the next question. Just a minute. Let me do some proper settings here. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Question number 2e. Sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c is equal to 2 times 1 plus cos a cos b cos c. So write here solution. Write the given condition. Given is a plus b plus c equals to pi radian. A plus b plus c is equals to pi radian. A plus b plus c equals to pi radian. So leave some steps here and then write LHS. The LHS or the left hand side of the question is the LHS is sin square a plus, okay, video अझै पनि राम्रो देखिएन. Just a minute, hey. Okay, let me begin this. Let me solve this question from very beginning. Okay, the given thing here is a plus b plus c equals to pi radian. Solution here a plus b plus c equals to pi radian. A plus b plus c equals to pi radian. And just leave some steps here and write the LHS. LHS or left hand side. LHS is sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c. Sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c. So as I told you earlier, what you have to do is if it is sin square theta, okay, just a minute. If it is sin square theta, then the formula is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2a. Sorry, 1 minus cos 2a by 2. And the next one is 1 minus cos 2b by 2. दुईटालाई चेन्ज गर्ने cos square theta sin square theta आयो भने त्यसलाई चेन्ज गर्ने हैन चेन्ज गरिसकेपछि लास्टमा के आउँछ त्यसलाई चाहिँ वेट एन्ड सी गर्ने लास्टको टर्मलाई चाहिँ हामीले वेट एन्ड सी अगाडि जे आउँछ त्यसको अनुसार वेट एन्ड सी गर्ने ठीक छ सो अब यहाँ दुईटैबाट हेर त 1/2 कमन आछ अथवा तिमीले बुझ्दैन भने यहाँ 1/2 लाई अगाडि राखे पनि भयो मैले यहाँ 1/2 यसरी अगाडि राख्छु 1/2 1 minus cos 2a जस्तो a by b छ भने यु क्यान राइट इट एज 1 by b into a त्यसै गरी 1/2 1 minus cos 2a प्लस यसमा पनि 1/2 1 minus cos 2b 1/2 1 minus cos 2b plus sin square c plus sin square c. So I think you see here 1/2 is common. So 1/2 1 minus cos 2a plus 1 minus cos 2b 1 minus cos 2b plus sin square c. So 1/2 is common here already. मैले अघिल्लो क्वेशनमा अर्कै तरिकाले गर्दैको छु यो एलसीएम लिएर गर्दैको छु अथवा 1/2 कमन लिएर पनि गर्न सकिन्छ भनेर मैले भनेर यो क्वेशनमा मैले यसरी गर्दैको छु है त. So 1 plus 1 is 2 minus cos 2a minus cos 2b plus sin square c plus sin square c. This is equals to 1/2 2 minus is common here. So if it is minus common here, so it will be cos 2a minus plus cos 2b plus sin square c. So this is equals to 1/2 2 minus cos 2a plus cos 2b अथवा cos c plus cos d को फर्मुला के हुन्छ र त 2 cos c plus d by 2 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 and what remains at last is plus sin square c. This is equals to 1/2 2 you can see here 2 is common there so 2 times 1 minus cos 2a plus 2b by 2 it is a plus b and 2a minus 2b by 2 it is again cos a plus a minus b cos a minus b plus sin square c plus sin square c. Further it is simplify it further so it will be 1/2 is already there so 1/2 and 2 they are cancelled so 1 minus what remains is 1 minus cos a plus b into cos a minus b cos a plus b into cos a minus b plus sin square c plus sin square c. So cos a plus b the value of cos a plus b to find the value of cos a plus b what you can do is you can write here a plus b and shift this c on the other side minus pi minus c. So just take a common taking cos on both sides it will be cos a plus b दुईतिर cos पनि ल्याऊ र sin पनि ल्याऊ किनभने हामीले a plus b त हामीले यहाँबाट लिने हो cos a plus b equals to cos pi radian minus c cos pi radian minus c cos pi radian minus c is minus cos c similarly sin a plus b पनि ल्याऊ sin a plus b is equals to sin a plus b is equals to sin pi radian minus c sin 180 minus theta is sin theta so sin c okay so cos a plus b भनेको हेर्दा cos a plus b भनेको माथिबाट कति आयो भने चाहिँ minus cos c आयो 1 minus cos c into cos a minus b plus sin square c. This is equals to 1 minus is plus cos c into cos a minus b plus यो sin square c छ नि हैन हामीलाई यहाँ cos c चाहिरहेछ तर यहाँ त sin square c आइरहेछ सो cos लाई हामीले चाहिँ sin लाई हामीले cos मा लाने फर्मुला छ कि छैन sin square theta भनेको त 1 minus cos square theta हो 1 minus cos square theta so it will be plus 1 minus cos square c. So 1 plus these two are common here cos c and cos c again common here so let's rearrange the term before taking the common so 1 plus 1 let's take them together 1 plus 1 plus cos c into cos a minus b minus cos square c मैले उस्तै टर्मलाई सँगै राखे 1 plus 1 is 2 plus cos c is common so what remains is cos a minus b minus cos c this is equals to 2 plus cos c cos a minus b minus cos c भनेको कति हुन्छ minus cos c भनेको यतापट्टि के छ हेर्दा cos a plus b छ so plus cos a plus b minus cos c भनेको म सबैलाई हटाइदिए र यो आयो plus cos a plus b so 2 plus cos c cos a minus b को फर्मुला के हुन्छ ल भन cos a minus b को फर्मुला हुन्छ cos a cos b plus sin a sin b cos a cos b plus sin a sin b plus cos a plus b को फर्मुला फेरि के हुन्छ ल भन cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Sin A sin B sin B गइहाल्यो. So what remains is 2 plus cos C cos A cos B plus cos A cos B भनेको यो ब्राकेट भित्र के हुन्छ र त 2 cos A cos B 2 cos A cos B. So what we get here is 2 plus 2 cos A cos B and cos C. So take 2 common here, 2 times 1 plus cos A cos B and cos C. So this is your answer. This is equals to right hand side. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS proved. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS proved. म अलिकति फेरि हाइलाइट गरिदिन्छु. सुरुमा हामीले के गर्यो? यसमा cos स्क्वायर थीटा भनेको 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 यहाँ पनि सरी sin स्क्वायर थीटा भनेको 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 यदि cos स्क्वायर आएको भए 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 गर्थ्यो. सो सिमिलरली यति गरिसकेपछि यहाँ त एलसीएम मात्र लिएको छ 1/2 2 कमन लियो के पनि छैन सिडी फर्मुला लगाए त्यसपछि त नर्मल सबै स्टेपहरु सबै एउटै है. स्क्वायर आए पनि जे आए पनि सबैमा आइडिया चाहिँ एउटै नै हो. आइडिया एउटै फलो गर्नु. ठीक छ. So let's move to the next question. Sin square A minus sin square B plus sin square C is equals to 2 sin A cos B sin C. So again write here the given condition LHS. Sorry. Write the given condition solution. A plus B plus C equals to pi radian. Here A plus B plus C equals to pi radian दिएको छ. pi radian भनेको 180 डिग्री हो. So अलिकति ठाउँ छोडौं. ठाउँ छोडिसकेपछि फेरि LHS हेरौं. LHS के छ हामीसँग sin square A minus sin square B plus sin square C. Sin square A minus sin square B plus sin square C. So as I told you earlier, square आउँदा बित्तिकै cos square theta sin square theta आयो भने त्यसलाई हामीले के गर्ने भने त्यसलाई हामीले गर्न सक्छौं 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 1 minus cos 2 A by 2 1 minus sin square beta भनेको अथवा minus cos sorry sin square B भनेको 1 minus cos 2B by 2 1 minus cos 2B by 2 plus sin square C लाई चाहिँ हामीले wait and see गर्ने लास्ट पारा जे छ त्यही राख्ने. So take the LCM again. So 2 is the LCM here. 1 minus cos 2A minus common 1 minus cos 2B plus sin square C. So 1 minus cos 2A minus 1 minus minus plus cos 2B whole upon 2 plus sin square C. So minus 1 र plus 1 त गइहाल्यो. So what remains? के बाँकी रह्यो भने त बाँकी रह्यो cos 2B minus cos 2A. Cos 2B minus cos 2A whole upon 2 plus sin square C plus sin square C. So cos 2B minus cos 2A भनेको cos C minus cos D को फर्मुला के हुन्छ भने त cos C minus cos D को फर्मुला cos C minus cos D को फर्मुला हुन्छ 2 sin D plus C by 2. D is A, 2A here. So D, this one is D, this one is C. 2 sin D plus C by 2, sin D minus C by 2. D minus C by 2, sin D minus C by 2 plus sin square C. This is equals to 2 sin A plus B into sin A minus B plus sin square C. plus sin square C. त्यसपछि अब बेसिक स्टेपहरु सबै रिपिट भइहाल्यो. यहाँ A plus B छ. So A plus B is equals to pi radian minus C. अगाडि sin छ. So taking sin on both sides, sin A plus B is equals to sin pi radian minus C. sin 180 minus theta अथवा sin 180 pi minus C भनेको के हुन्छ sin C. sin C र अर्को हामीसँग के छ cos पनि लिनु पर्यो. sin लिँदाखेरि जहिले पनि यो पेयरमा लिने cos A plus B is equals to cos pi radian minus C, that is equals to minus cos C. cos 180 minus theta भनेको हाम्रो के हुन्छ minus cos theta, so minus cos C. So sin A plus B को ठाउँमा रिप्लेस गरिदेऊ. sin A plus B भनेको sin C, you will get here sin C 2 sin C sin A minus B sin A minus B plus sin square C plus sin square C. So what is common here? The value that is common here is sin C. So sin C is common there. So before that, let me see here. We missed this 2 here. Let me write here 2. This one also is 2 there. Okay. So 2 र 2 काट्देऊ. यो तलको 2 र यो 2 काट्देऊ. अनि यहाँ चाहिँ यो 2 लेख्नु परेन. So sin C is common. Sin C is common. Sin A minus B plus sin C. This is equals to sin C sin A minus B. Sin C is sin A plus B again. So plus sin A plus B. So we have a formula of sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Though you can use the formula of sin A minus B, the formula of compound angle also. But if you can use the formula perfectly, then you can write here 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B. So this is equals to 2 sin A cos B into sin C. This is equals to right hand side. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS proved. Okay, I hope you understand it. Let me move to the next question. The next question is cos square A plus cos square B plus 2 cos A cos B cos C is equals to sin square C. So solution here, what we have here is A plus B plus C is equals to pi radian. यो दिएको छ क्वेशनले। अब अलिकति ठाउँ छोडेर LHS लेख। LHS हामीसँग के छ cos square A plus cos square B plus 2 cos A cos B cos C, 2 cos A cos B cos C. So cos square theta भनेको फर्मुला के हुन्छ भन्दा cos square theta भनेको 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 अथवा 1 by 2 लाई म अगाडि लेख्नु भयो 1 by 2 1 plus cos 2a plus यसमा पनि 1 by 2 किनभने cos square b भनेको त 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 हुन्छ। So 1 plus cos 2 भनेको 2 theta भनेको 2b plus लास्टमा के 2 cos a cos b cos c 2 cos a cos b cos c. So 1 by 2 is common here in the both one. So 1 by 2 common 1 plus cos 2a plus 1 plus cos 2b plus take a common, so plus 2 cos a cos b cos c 2 cos a cos b cos c. So 1 by 2 1 plus 1 is 2 plus cos 2a plus cos 2b cos 2a plus cos 2b plus 2 cos a cos b cos c 2 cos a cos b cos c. So 2 is common there. So 1 by 2 is common there, sorry. 2 plus cos c plus cos d बिना फर्मुला के ल भन त 2 cos c plus d by 2 c plus d by 2 अनि cos c minus d by 2 c minus d by 2. And then what remains is 2 cos a cos b cos c. This is equals to 1 by 2. 2 and 2 is common here. So into 2 1 plus cos 2a plus 2b by 2 भनेको a plus b cos a minus b plus 2 cos a cos b and then cos c. So 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 they are cancelled 1 and what remains is 1 plus you can just cancel and leave as it is because if you multiply anything with 1 the same quantity remains. So 1 plus cos a plus b cos a minus b cos a plus b cos a minus b bracket plus 2 cos a cos b cos c 2 cos a cos b cos c. So 1 plus c here cos a plus b we have here a plus b, so let's take the help from here pi minus c cos a plus b, this is equals to cos pi radian minus c cos pi radian minus c, this is equals to minus cos c. Similarly, sin a plus b, this is equals to sin pi radian minus c. Sin pi radian minus c, this is equals to sin c. Sin c. So 1 minus cos c. So 1 minus cos c. Cos a minus b plus 2 cos a cos b cos c. So cos c is common there. So cos c is common. It means that it will be 1 minus cos c bracket cos a minus b plus 2 cos a cos b because cos c is common there, isn't it? So it will be this is equals to 1 minus cos c cos a minus b भनेको के हुन्छ कम्पाउन्ड एंगल फर्मुलामा त cos a cos b ओके यहाँ माइनस कमन आइसकेपछि त्यहाँ पनि माइनस हुनु पर्यो माइनस cos a cos b plus sin a sin b minus 2 cos a cos b minus 2 cos A cos B. So this is equals to 1 minus cos C cos A cos B minus 2 cos A cos B भनेको minus cos A cos B. मैले अगाडि यसलाई लेखेँ sin A sin B लाई अगाडि लेखौँ minus cos A cos B minus cos A cos B. So 1 minus cos C हेर त यसलाई रिअरेन्ज गर्यो भने cos A cos B साइ साइ को त हामीसँग फर्मुला छैन हामीसँग त फर्मुला छ को साइ साइ. सो माइनसलाई अगाडि राखेर हेर त यो माइनस यो प्लस भयो यसलाई अगाडि चेन्ज गरिदेऊ. यो चाहिँ के गरेको नि माइनस कमन लिएको यहाँ माइनस कमन लियो भने त यो के हुन्छ यो प्लस हुन्छ यो माइनस हुन्छ. सो प्लस वालालाई अगाडि लेख cos A cos B minus sin A into sin B sorry sin B. So this is equals to 1 plus हामीसँग अगाडि cos C छँदैछ and cos A cos B minus sin A sin B भनेको फर्मुला के हुन्छ होला भन त cos A plus B this is equals to 1 plus cos C into cos A plus B. A plus B भने हामीसँग के छ भने त cos A plus B भनेको minus cos C. So 1 plus cos C into minus cos C. 1 plus into minus is minus cos square C. This is equals to 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So this is equals to 1 minus cos square C is sin square C. This is equals to right hand side. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS proved. Okay, I think I come to the end of the type 2. So now let me end the live session here. I'll be discussing the remaining questions in some other day with presence of more students. I have to get busy after this. So I'm extremely sorry I could not continue this live session right now. Thank you everyone for your presence. Have a great time. Bye-bye. Take care.